G'day cocktail lovers. I scored something new that I want to experiment. I mean, first I want to taste it, then I want to experiment with it. This is a collaboration between one of Australia's best known gin distilleries, Four Pillars, and the Marionette Liqueur Company. They mostly make liqueurs. And they're calling this an old-fashioned gin liqueur. And what it is, they've got Four Pillars rare dry gin, and they have actually aged it in a barrel that they had previously aged some orange curacao in. And then they've taken that out, it's been aged for 2 years, and then blended with orange curacao to produce this. Now it's 38% alcohol by volume, so it's just shy of what the gin would normally be. And I'm getting the vibe from the naming and the packaging, this might be a cocktail in a bottle. I literally have not tasted this yet. It's at 38% ABV. That's pretty strong for a cocktail, but I'm willing to try it. I'm going to do it a pour. Look, I'll do it right next to my microphone so we get the ASMR of the glug glug glug. I do love that sound. So yeah, it's not that strong an aroma of either orange or gin, but I'm going to give it the quick taste. That's a really nice mouthfeel. Oh, it's gin with orange, basically. This would probably be great as a spritz, but what occurred to me is making a version of a gin daisy. And if you're unfamiliar with the daisy, that's essentially a sour that also has a liqueur in it. And given this is spirit and liqueur, I'm most of the way there. Then I'm just going to add lemon juice and a little bit of grenadine and have a very quick gin daisy to try. To make that, I'm adding 2.5 ounces or 75 mils of the orange gin liqueur to a shaker. Then I'm adding 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of lemon juice, and then just 1/4 ounce, around 7.5 mils of grenadine. Add ice to the shaker, shake that good and hard for 10 to 15 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then I'm straining that into a chilled coupe, which gives us a version of a gin daisy. Some people will top this with a little bit of soda, or even do it as a highball. I thought I'd do it just like this because I want to see what it tastes like. It's got a great colour, a little bit of orange from the orange liqueur, bit of pinkness from the grenadine, homemade of course, but the all-important taste test. I really like how that works. It's actually taken a bit of the edge because it's relatively strong alcohol content in the liqueur. It's made it just a really nice, bright sour, and it works really well. I am not regretting this purchase at all, and I in fact have a few ideas to use it for other cocktails, which you will probably see soon, and I hope you do come back and see it. I'd love to see you back here. Until such time as I do see you, I will say cheers.